Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with a super quick video. This video is to just share with you what I created with the Sizzix Peacock Rosette die that I recently picked up from Hobby Lobby. I just wanted to share with you what I made with it. So I made this little hanger for to put in some Happy Mail that I'm going to send out. And I think it came out super cute. I used a set of scallop stitch heart nesting dies. And then I use this butterfly die, which is LDRS Creative. It's just a little butterfly banner, really, really pretty. It has some stitching on the little butterflies, which are absolutely gorgeous. And then I used another stitched heart die that was in my stash, and then I used that word thanks, which is another die that is in my stash as well. And then I created a tool bow down here and just added some fabric, and that is it. I was thinking I could have added some tassels to this bow or a charm, but I had already put it together, so maybe next time, but just a quick idea. I think it came out super cute. And then on the back, I did finish it off in the back using the same nested heart die and just stamped out handmade by Scrapdiva29, and just added some tulle for the hanger so the person can hang it up in their crafty space if they wish. And I think it came out really, really pretty. Please leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.